I'm in the super hot West Loop at Presidential Towers at a 36th floor convertible, looking out toward Whole Foods, almost directly across the expressway. Mariano's is just beyond that. Ton of restaurants, dining, nightlife. Spot with a lot of excitement. And this unit's going to deliver some great sunsets. Heading around to the north, I can see the East Bank Club, River North, another hot dining and nightlife spot. I have a nice size living dining area here. An efficient U-shaped kitchen. Stainless steel appliance package that includes a dishwasher. There are quartz counters. There's an ice maker in the fridge. Good cabinet and counter space. Coming around to the sleeping area. Sleeping area is carpeted. There's two closets flanking entry out to the bath. And there's another closet off to the right as you approach the bath. Attractive, updated finishes. As you would have entered the unit, there's a fourth closet. Really good storage space for a convertible apartment. And a sleeping area that can easily be closed off for privacy because it has a sliding door. Presidential Towers is a full amenity complex, has a terrific close to the loop walk to work location. It's one of the communities that you absolutely have to see when you're looking for a new apartment in downtown Chicago. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.